Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math exams. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Next, divide your study material into smaller, digestible sections. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Finally, establish a regular study routine, perhaps 30-minute sessions daily, to build strong foundational knowledge. Consistent practice is crucial for math success. Solve a wide variety of problems, not just those from your textbook. When you make a mistake, don't just move on. Understand where you went wrong and correct your approach. If you encounter a particularly difficult concept, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or a classmate for clarification. Sometimes a different explanation can make all the difference. Regular review is essential to solidify your understanding. Don't wait until the last minute. Revisit older material frequently. Consider creating your own concise formula sheet, including important equations and definitions, to aid in quick recall. Also, practice solving problems within a time limit, simulating exam conditions. This helps improve your speed and accuracy, reducing exam day stress. On exam day, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. When you receive your exam, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly before attempting any questions. This prevents careless errors and ensures you understand what's expected. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.